And us, so we're right in the middle of it, as you well know. And with that, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another hot one out there, Robert. And my guess is, by what you're saying, this is actually maybe a little bit of a break as far as what's in store here? What's going on?
It's going to get a little bit warmer before it cools off. Potentially cools off, I should say. You know, we got to get through the worst of it before things can ease up a little bit. But again, it's not. Thankfully, it's not severe weather, dangerous thunderstorms, those types of things. So there's the temperatures over the next 5 days in northwest Arkansas. They are no picnic. Upper 90s and some low 100s thrown in there for good measure. So even our morning lows will be pretty warm for the most part. River Valley, it's actually even a little bit worse. Widespread triple-digit heat. The worst of those days, I think, will be Wednesday and Thursday in terms of the actual air temperature. So keep that in mind. We are under that heat advisory for the River Valley, the I-40 corridor. Northwest Arkansas doesn't meet the conditions, which is, one silver lining. But you blow this out, and you can see a large area under the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings. South, you get into Joplin, they're under an excessive heat warning off the Virginia coast and all the other heat advisories. So we're not the only ones suffering. It's hot in a lot of places currently. It's hot and low right now. It's 93 degrees. It feels like it's 106 thanks to that 75-degree dew point, the true measure of the moisture in the atmosphere. Mid-90s for the most part across northwest Arkansas. Slide you into the River Valley, you can see all the moisture in the air creating some of that haze. As we look out toward the Arkansas River, it's 98. Heat index, it feels like 106 outside. Elsewhere across the River Valley, upper 90s for the most part, but a few locations. We're now pretty much at the hottest part of the day, so if we're going to see some triple-digit readings, it's going to be now. The sun is starting to set, so we should start to cool down. Sticky dew points for now, but not far off to the west. Much drier air. As the center of that high pressure creeps its way toward us, it's going to pull those drier dew points into our areas. So probably we get into the Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond time frame. The air will feel much drier, so it won't be as oppressive outside. It'll still be ridiculously hot, but not as humid, which will pull back the heat danger just a little bit. As we take you hour by hour, not too much to worry about tonight and into tomorrow morning. We could see a few very stray showers tomorrow afternoon across northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. I even think the model's overdoing this. Most of us won't see anything. If you are lucky enough to get a shower, you'll be thankful. It actually cool you down for a brief moment in time. 70s tonight, 90s and triple digits yet again for tomorrow. And there's the extended forecast. All of those severe days we have to look forward to because of the dangerous heat. Remember, heat's the #1 weather-related killer, folks. You can't just laugh it off like it's no big deal, or you will very quickly put yourself in a dangerous situation. Again, light, loose-fitting clothing. Leave the blacks and the dark colors at home. You want those pinks and yellows and things like that. In the meantime, we're going to take a break, and we're going to check back with Cameron Johnson, who's walking into the studio right now. Lady in Blue has sports next.